Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar yen did drift up pretty nicely yesterday. Now we haven't taken out this high, so this definitely still is a chance that this whole move up is nothing more than a pullback to this last move down. There's a possibility this is an A, this is like an expanding wave B, and this is a wave C. If it really is an ABC correction, then it will respect the 78%, 88% area. It will go down, it will break structure. If you see a nice move to the downside and a nice break of structure to the downside, then you definitely want to get back on the short side because this may just be a pullback to the downtrend. So for me personally, I would recommend longs on shorter than the 1 hour time frame, at least until you get a break of structure at a Fibonacci level. If it doesn't break structure at a Fib level, but instead just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows on this 1 hour time frame, then there's really no reason to go short. If it breaks down on the 1 hour time frame, then definitely start looking for shorts on pullbacks after the break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.